Hello students, welcome back. Myself Chetna Upadhyay and we will continue our GK subject in today videos, but from tomorrow I will teach you science and we will decide the days for GK and science in a week. So the science will be taken on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Thursday, okay, and Friday, Saturday will be your GK period, okay. So be ready with this. Monday to Thursday I will teach you science, and Friday and Saturday I will teach you GK, okay. So tomorrow be ready with your science book and copy, okay. So let's start our next chapter in GK. It is our digestive system. First thing, digestive system is the one organ system in our body. There are so many organ systems in our body which perform a particular work, and each organ of this system perform a particular and specific function, okay. So but in today we will see digestive system. First let's see what is digestive system. Most of you will be familiar with this, okay. The digestive system is made of many organs and each organs perform a special job. All these organs together break down the food into smaller particles which can be absorbed by the blood for doing various activities, okay. First thing, the food that we eat is break down into small pieces and it get digested in our body in digestive system, which is made up of many organs, okay, and each organs perform a special work and special functions. All the smaller particles which can be, and the foods break down into the small particles which can be absorbed by the blood for doing various activities, okay. So what is the exercise? First you have to see, this is your digestive system. It is your organs which perform the digestive system, okay. Mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, okay, large intestine, small intestine and anus, okay. These are all organs which perform their duty and to digest our food. You have to match these organs with their functions are written here. So let's start with first, okay. uh, these muscular bags store food that we eat. I hope you know the answer. These muscular bags store food that you eat मीन्स कि जो हम खाना खाते हैं वो पहले स्टोर कहाँ होता है? इट इज़ स्टोर इन द स्टमक, ओके. द आंसर विल बी स्टमक. नेक्स्ट, दिस ट्यूब अलाउ द फूड टू ट्रेवल डाउन इनटू द स्टमक फ्रॉम द माउथ. फर्स्ट वी टेक अ बाइट एंड वी च्यू द फूड एंड आफ्टर दैट वी सॉलो दैट, ओके. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि जो हम खाना सॉलो कर रहे हैं वो डायरेक्ट हमारे पेट में ही चला जाएगा, वो किसी एक पाथ से ही होके जाएगा. तो ये क्या है, जो आपके माउथ से ये जो जाता है पूरा ये पाइप, ओके. दिस पाइप इज कॉल्ड एसोफेगस एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फूड पाइप, ओके. सो दिस ट्यूब अलाउ फूड टू ट्रेवल डाउन इनटू द स्टमक फ्रॉम द माउथ, ओके. एसोफेगस मीन्स कि माउथ और स्टमक को कनेक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट, दिस बिग ग्लैंड प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल इन प्रोसेसिंग डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. लीवर also perform a very important role and necessary role in digestion of food, okay. Next, these tubes store undigested food. After digestion of food, some foods remain undigested, and these undigested food collect in or is stored into large intestine. It is your large intestine. Yeah. Okay. Next, this long coiled tube completes the process of digestion, and these long coiled tubes, small intestine, this small intestine complete the digestion system. Okay, these glands secretes saliva that makes the food soft. जब हम फूड को लेते हैं तो हमारे मुंह में एक आपने देखा होगा लिक्विड सा होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड slavia. Okay, and that is made from the salivary glands. Okay, next, this gland secretes gastric juices that help in digestion. Okay, it is pancreas. Okay, it is pancreas. Next, the undigested food go out of the body through this opening, it is anus. The remaining undigested food is removed from our body from anus. Okay, so that is the whole process of digestion. First we take a bite and chew with our teeth, and after that we swallow, and the from the esophagus, through the esophagus the food reach into the stomach and it stay for 4 to 6 hours here, and after that the pancreas, which secretly have so many gastric juices which help in digestion. Through this pancreas, the gastric juices, the food get digested, and undigested food reach into the large intestine and small intestine, and the undigested food reach into the large intestine. Okay, and from the large intestine it's removed from our body from anus. Okay, so it's complete our digestion system. On average, food takes 24 hours to pass right the way through the digestive system and out of other end. Okay, the adult stomach has very small volume when empty but can expand to hold up to 1.5 liter of food when full. Okay, मीन्स इस जो आपका स्टमक होता है, एक एडल्ट का स्टमक जो होता है बहुत ही छोटा वॉल्यूम होता है जब वो खाली होता है, बट जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो उसमें 1.5 लीटर तक फूड स्टोर हो सकते हैं. The world's human population deposit an incredible 2 tons of feces every day, equivalent the weight of well-grown adult. Okay, so this is your third chapter. Okay, if there is any confusion you can ask me, and be ready for your test. Okay, I will ask you question from lesson 2, and if you have any confusion related to this chapter 3 digestive system, you can ask me in the group. Till then, thank you.